Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I wanted to talk to you about how much is workers' comp insurance. Now, let me just say, Elite Business Insurance, we are a full-service independent agency. We can handle all of your insurance needs. We believe in giving our customers a thorough understanding of all insurance coverages, how it works, and we shop you around to find you the best coverage for the best price. Regarding workers' comp insurance, it is all state regulated. So depending on what state your business is established, and depending on what your payroll is, that is going to determine the price. And regardless of what insurance carrier you are written through, the price is going to be the price. It's always going to be the same. But through Elite Business Insurance, we're a full service agency, so we have access to only AM Best A-rated insurance carriers. So if we write you workers' comp insurance, you're always going to be with an A-rated carrier, which is the best, financially strongest insurance carrier out there. So you might as well give us a call and give us the opportunity to earn your business. We offer 24/7 customer service, and we always fight to make sure we get you the best price out there. We cover your business correctly regarding liability insurance, commercial property, commercial auto. Now, the workers' comp, regardless of who you're written through, you just want to make sure you're written through an A-rated company and that you get the best service possible. And we could do that for you at Elite Business Insurance. The way the price is determined with workers' comp is there's a classification code for every risk out there. So if you're a carpenter, an electrician, a plumber, if you own a restaurant, if you own a daycare, if you own a karate studio, if you own a bakery, if you are a truck driver and you're doing deliveries, if you're a moving company and you're lifting heavy stuff upstairs all day, if you're a commercial glazier and you're up in a man lift, or window cleaner and you're off the side of a building in a swing stage, every single workers' comp risk out there is going to have a separate classification code. So they take that classification code, which is established by the state, and then they multiply that by the company's annual payroll. So the more payroll you have, the more work you're doing, the higher the risk. And that's how the workers' comp companies calculate the expense or the premium involved with the insurance policy. So basically, let's just say you're a glazier, you're doing glass work, and you're installing windows off of man lift. And say the rating is 10.0. Okay, so you have a 10.0 rating. It's not, depending on what state you are, it could differ. But just as an example, 10.0 is the rating. So if you have a rating of 10.0 and you have a payroll of $100,000 for the year, so you're going to take that code, you're going to multiply it by 100,000. So if it's a 10.0 classification code, you multiply it by the annual payroll of 100,000, now you have a million. You're going to take that number of a million and you're going to divide that number by 100. And that will give you your annual premium. And then there's fees and taxes included on top of that. So 10.0 is the rating times 100,000 is 1 million. 1 million divided by 100 is 10,000. So the annual premium for that glass code of $100,000 in payroll will cost you $10,000 a year to insure the workers' comp. Now, that's just an example. So you're always going to take that class code, you're going to multiply it by the payroll, you're going to divide it by 100. That's going to give you the price every time. And that's how workers' compensation works. Now, the benefits of workers' comp is that if an employee was to get injured on a job site, you and the employee are both protected. So the employee isn't going to want to sue the employer because then you're on bad terms. The employer doesn't want to get sued by the employee because they have to pay money and they're on bad terms. So workers' compensation was established to protect both the employee and the employer. So if your employee hurts his back on the job, if your employee falls off of a ladder, if an employee drops something on his foot and he can't perform work, it is only right that he is compensated for the work that he cannot perform because he got injured by performing work for you in the first place. So to protect your employees correctly, you need to make sure that you have workers' comp insurance. So I just told you how the rate is calculated. Elite Business Insurance will always make sure that you understand every situation as thoroughly as possible. If you have more than 4 employees in the non-construction industry, you are required by state to carry workers' comp insurance. So if you're in the non-construction industry, so if you're a cleaning company, if you're a restaurant, if you're a bakery, a deli, a clothing store, retail store, that is considered non-construction industry. If you have 4 or more employees, you are required to carry workers' comp. If you are in the construction industry, if you have 1 employee, you are required to carry workers' comp. It's a higher risk. If your employee gets hurt, you want to protect yourself. You want to protect them. Give Elite Business Insurance a chance. We could shop you out through all our markets. We could also handle all of your insurance needs. So not only will we provide you the best coverage for the best price and give you the best customer service to do so, but we could write your general liability, your commercial auto, your commercial property, anything involving your business to protect it correctly, we could help you out. So give us a chance, give us a call. We will not let you down. I hope this video gave you a little information on how workers' comp price is calculated. If you need anything else, any insurance matters whatsoever, please give us a call. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.